Hello, KES Superheroes. This is Miss Beatty. This week we'll be working together in my group and Miss Burkhalter's group to build our social contract. Our social contract will help us know how we'll treat each other. Let's build our social contract. Our language goal for this activity will be, I can discuss the ways we will treat each other to help make our social contract. On day 1, we'll talk about what is a contract. A contract is a written document that shows the conditions of a legal agreement. The two parts to focus on in this definition are a written document that shows our agreement. We will work on our social contract in our Google Meets. I'll use our slides to help record our information. That will be like our written document. After we answer our questions to decide how we'll treat each other, we'll come to an agreement. That means we all say that we will do the things that we agreed on in our contract. Our social contract is an agreement of how we will treat each other. We'll watch a video about respect and kindness. We'll see how animals in the video are treating each other. We'll find out how the moose and the bear treat each other and how the bunny and the raccoon treat each other. Are they being respectful and kind? Then we'll answer this question. How do you want to be treated by me and Mrs. Burkhalter? Some of the words that describe how you want to be treated by me will go in this table. Miss Burkhalter and I will treat you with kindness and respect, but I bet you can think of more words that tell how you want to be treated by us. On day 2, we'll focus on how you will treat each other. We'll watch this video about what makes a good friend and think about how you treat your friends. We'll answer the question, how do you want to be treated by each other? We'll think of some words that describe how you want to be treated by your classmates. We'll add them to this table. We'll also think about how you think I and Mrs. Burkhalter want to be treated by you. We'll think of some words that describe how you think we want to be treated, and we'll add them to this table. On day 3, we'll think about the word conflict. What is a conflict? A conflict is a problem or disagreement you have with someone. We'll listen to the story, I Was So Mad by Mercer Mayer. In the story, we'll find out that little Critter is having some conflicts. Who is he having conflicts with, and what are the conflicts? Then we'll answer this question for our last question to complete our social contract. How do we want to treat each other when there's a conflict? When we have trouble or a disagreement? We'll add those words to this table. On day 4, we'll finish up by looking at the words we said the most when we answered all 4 questions. Can we agree to treat each other this way using these words every day? When we agree, we'll each type our name in the chat box. We'll finish up with this video called Color Your World with Kindness. What will we notice is happening in the video? Get ready to think about how we'll treat each other this year. As we make our social contract, we will agree of how we will treat each other to make this year the very best.